Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable vibration for notifications when someone adds you on Snapchat. If you've been missing those alerts or just want a stronger notification queue, this setting will make sure you feel it instantly. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification controls live. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will display a full list of apps installed on your device. Now find and tap on Snapchat. This takes you to the app-specific settings, where you can customize how Snapchat behaves on your phone. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification options available for Snapchat, including different categories for various types of alerts. To get more specific, tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you control each type of notification individually, so you can fine-tune exactly how and when Snapchat alerts you. Scroll through the list until you find Added You under the Friends section, then tap on it. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone adds you as a friend. Now look for the Vibrate option. Simply toggle it on. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate every time you receive a notification that someone has added you on Snapchat.